Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, tires front all season, daytime running lamps, tires rear all season, rear wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.